Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily make TikTok edits on CapCut using templates on TikTok. So you're just going to select the search button and you're just going to select templates CapCut or like CapCut templates, and you're just going to select the one that has the word templates. So for instance, this one, it says try this template, and you're just going to select it and it's going to bring you to CapCut once you've selected use template in CapCut. Then you are just going to select use template, and then you're just going to add in some pictures, and I'm just going to select these random clips because I don't know what else to add. Then you're just going to select preview, and then you can just like export it to TikTok automatically, well, like straight away I meant, or not, but once you're done, just like export here, and you can either save it to your device with the CapCut watermark, or you can export it to like TikTok straight away without the watermark. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!